Red folder news release in a couple of hours, just 1 hour, less than 1 hour. In fact, that should be about 50 minutes time. Okay, so let's see this. We see that the price is in a trend. Okay, now it says no clear market corrector. All we can see here is the market moved downwards like this, right? And now you can see this pushback and price moved like this. Okay, so we're expecting the complete target here to be hit. All right, so let's take a look at what we can see and how we can explain the price. Invert your scale like this to see what it is. Now look at this higher highs here. That's what formed here. Now if you take a look at this here, you'd see that the curve at this area has replayed itself in this way. So what we're expecting is for the price to complete this movement towards the downside and eventually here, because you can see somewhat an equal high, which is a low here. You understand that kind of entry? So in the original scale, it's a low. So we're expecting the price to push downwards. Okay, this is a live chart for the red folder. Okay, so let's get all of this off, then set our entries and execute and wait for price to do its thing. Okay, so we take a short from right here on gold, this levels here, then target this low. Okay, this low is our target. 1 to 3 risk to reward. Okay, so let's take this, place in this area right here. That would be it for our trade. Okay, so we'll be back at some other time to check and follow this move in the curve and see the results of this trade. Okay, so 4 minutes to the news release. Our take profit has been hit, so all we have to do is sit back and watch as the market moves, does what it likes and whatever. Okay, so stay careful, stay profitable, and this is our last trade for the week. As I stated earlier, we'll take only 2 trades this week at that's 100% win rate on the weekly trades. Okay.